The man that I'm going to talk about today is none other than System Tazvida. He was one of my favorite Sungura artists. System was born Fanuel Tazvida on the 2nd of May 1968 in Zaka. Sadly, he passed away on the 4th of February 1999. But after leaving a huge legacy at the young age of 31, he had done a lot within such a short space of time. As usual, we are just going to dwell on the lessons that we can learn from his career. If you listen to his instrumentation, it was generic, it was just the usual Sungura. But what set him apart was the way he sang. He had a certain way of singing that was very different. Yeah, manage your voice. He never sang any vulgar lyrics, but his lyrics were very naughty. I think that's a good lesson to our youngsters. You don't have to be vulgar, and if you want to portray how naughty you are on your music, you don't have to be vulgar. You can make people laugh and you can sing and so, but very clean at the same time. So on that note, I would like to say it sells more to be unique than to be the best. Because if you are the best, you are number one. But if you are unique, you are all alone. As a result, you have got a unique selling point. In business, there's something that they call unique selling point. That's something that sets you apart from everybody. Because right now, there are so many artists everywhere. There are so many studios everywhere. There's a studio in every street. So, with so many artists around, for you to be noticed easily, you have to be different. System Tazvida rose to prominence late 80s with the song Mabaua. I remember that it was a huge hit around 1989. But System Tazvida is not the one who wrote the song. The song was written by Sifas Karushanga. Sifas Karushanga was a very good guitarist, very good songwriter, but not a great vocalist. You can be a good songwriter and not being able to sing. It's only said that in Zimbabwe it's not a huge business, but around the world it's a massive business to just write songs. If you know people like Max Martin is worth more than 20 million, Dr. Luke is worth millions, Babyface. But I know in Zimbabwe it's not lucrative because generally our music industry is a very low income industry. But still the point remains that you don't have to force yourself to write songs or to end up stealing funeral songs or church songs or traditional songs and claim that they are your own just because you can't write and you don't want to accept songs written by other songwriters. So as Zimbabweans, I think we need to adopt that culture. If you are serious about selling your song, you need to go to the studio, record it. If you can't sing, find somebody who can sing, and then you can present your song on an MP3 to someone and say, listen to the song, so that the artist that you are pitching the song to can hear the song in the context of background of instruments. Selling a song that's just in your head, I think it's just the same as selling a bed that's on a tree. Because it doesn't make sense to say I've got a song and then where is the song? It's in my head. It goes like it doesn't make sense. We need to hear the song even with just one instrument so that we hear where it's going, we hear the melody, we hear the chord progression, we hear the tempo, we hear the groove. That way you can sell a song. That's what all songwriters do around the world. They don't just go and say, I'm selling a song and where's the song? Let me sing it for you. It doesn't work. And at times, like I mentioned before, some songwriters are not good singers. So at times, if you want to sell a good song, and then people think it's a bad song because your voice is bad. But you can call somebody who's got a very good voice and then teach him or teach her how to sing your song. And then it's put on an MP3. Then it's easier to pitch on, not to ngotaro in the song Yurim Surma. So as usual, to end the video, I'm going to do a jam session. The reason why I call my jam sessions composite plagiarism is because I pick a few elements from the artist that I'm featuring and create something of my own. And then I also reverse engineer some of his works and create something of my own. So it's mine, but pane pakabiwa zvine hungwaro. So let me tune my guitar titange. I hope ndo munhu anogona kunatsoimba voice system because I'm not good at singing and phone ndikariburitsa. Here we go.
TAZVIDA inga ungopera mukoma takurangarira TAZVIDA inga ungopera mukoma takurangarira TAZVIDA inga ungopera mukoma System
Monosphere Studio, the harmony of quality and professionalism.